How to earn from MyPoints.com. So if you want to earn from MyPoints.com, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with search and you need to search for MyPoints. After searching for MyPoints, you need to go with MyPoints.com, which will take you to this kind of interface. Now you can just simply go with join, enter your email address, create your password, and then go with join now. After entering your email and creating your password, you need to go with I agree, and then you can go with join now. And after that, you will be joined, and you need to go with sign in, and you'll be signed into your account. And after logging in, once you verified your email, you'll receive 5 points. So you just need to simply go with your new tab and then go with Gmail. And from Gmail, you will receive the code, or you will receive the verification option. You just need to simply go with verification, verify your email, and you will receive 5 points right there. Or you can also search for earn points on MyPoints, and here you will have all of these websites or all of these options. You just need to simply go with your daily rewards program, and from here, your daily rewards program, you'll be able to earn some points. These are the ways that you can earn. You can shop online, you can get some score, you can read email, you can share your opinion, find deals, search the web, or play games, and refer to a friend. So these are all the ways that you can earn coins or points in your mypoints.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.